If you've been around our content for a while, you're probably going to understand how the double ads ecosystem works. So the question usually isn't, does this work? It's usually the question, something like, what actually happens if I step closer? Because what I find is most people hesitate here because they don't want either a sales call or a pitch or a commitment before they're ready. And that's fair. I hate that too. So instead of trying to convince you of anything, we're going to do something simpler. We open the door, and every Friday right now, we are going to run live help calls where we're going to walk people through. You're going to see how we think about ads, how we make decisions inside the ecosystem, and what we look for when something is or isn't working. We're going to do this based upon other people's problems, then bring it to us. So there's no funnel, no pressure, no expectation that you'll ever even work with us. You could just come and listen. You will actually get to experience how we operate as a business. And then from that, you can decide for yourself whether we are the kind of support that you'd want, either running your ads or setting your ads up. And then if it's helpful, that's great. If it's not, that's also fine too. So if you want to come and hang out with us on one of those calls, I'm going to drop the link below, and it'd be great to see you on Friday. Cheerio.